So I'm a real believer in a strat plan being a living and breathing document. And everything you do in the organization should be tied back to that strategic plan. And so by constantly talking about it and making reference to it and making sure all our decisions reflect back on that strat plan, that's how we're going to make sure we execute it and really keep it alive in the organization. Mm-hmm. I was actually very surprised how interested the community was in having a voice into this process and how engaged many of them were. We had focus groups in each of the communities and we had great representation at all of them. We actually visited Quinte Mall and went shopping for ideas, and people really wanted to stop and tell us what they were looking for in their hospital. So one thing I find being in a community hospital, and like we have at Quinte Healthcare with our 4 hospitals, each of the communities really values the service that they get at that hospital and what it means for the community. It's a source of pride. It's a source of them really knowing that they have great health care when they go to it. So they wanted to give their input into what they wanted their community hospital to be for them. And exceptional care inspired by you really means so many things. It's inspired by our community. It's inspired by each other when we work with each other in the organization. It's inspired by our patients, inspired by our coworkers. So that inspired by you really is, we want everybody to be very proud of who they work with and who they're providing service for. And hopefully in that exceptional care inspired by you, we've captured that for people.